Just over 2 weeks old, and our night sky litter has their eyes open and they're wobbling around on all fours. They're strong enough to pull themselves into a sit position. Oh, look at those beautiful eyes. We have increased the size of their whelping box and added potty pads. This is the first transitional piece from mama cleaning up into the puppies learning how to potty. We have a whole process that we follow with starting our puppies on potty training so that when they go to their forever homes, they're able to understand that potty needs to be in a specific place. And once you show them where that place is in your home, they catch on really quickly. That doesn't mean to say they don't have accidents or things don't happen, but it's probably the easiest process I've ever found with puppies and dogs. We do have an available reservation in this litter. If you're interested, visit our website and complete a puppy application. Be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube in order to learn more about our litters as they grow. Enjoy your weekend, everybody.